Give one to. And so, what's yours? What's yours? Peace and justice.
Yeah, peace and justice.
And you are elemental.
Elemental
Nature.
Elemental nature.
All right. Don't.
Awesome.
Huh?
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
My other.
Okay, here you go.
Plan it out. That's
Wait,
cool.
you take.
All right, and yours is peace and justice, Grayson. Wow.
Yeah, mine are alright. I like them anyway.
What?
They're the classic ones.
Yeah.
Oh, mine's awesome.
They're both awesome. Let's see what the other ones look like. That's peace and justice. What's the next one?
Power,
Power and control. Whoa.
Looks a little dark. And keep it open.
Okay.
And then protection and defense.
Let's do this one.
Yeah.
We already did that one.
Oh, that's cool. Look at that.
It's like a tusk.
Yeah, it's like a tusk.
And then that.
Whoa.
Cool.
Probably.
So you're okay with it?
Maybe.
You gotta be quick.
Okay, protection and defense. I like protection.
You want to do protection and defense?
Yeah, look.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's one of my favorites.
I know. It's different when you see it in person, you know?
Right.
So now this is protection and defense?
Yeah, I just swapped it out because the all the other like the emitters and all the other stuff look cooler.
Yeah.
Like that. And plus, I get a new pin.
Yeah, so I think it's important to know to check out the options. We didn't really look as closely as maybe we should have, but they have the cool box over there where you can see the different pieces.
Yep.
And that's what we did, and
Yep. And we're going inside soon.
yep, that's cool.
All the builders are wearing those pins on their shirt, and if you are wearing a pin on your shirt, you have a green credential card in your own hand. So each builder is going to get their own station, so that's why we each need a credential card in your hand.
Cool. Ooh. This is so cool.
Welcome in.
Thank you.
We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers because we search the galaxy for ancient relics, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring here. That is why you're here, to build this, a lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a saber is an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of the builder, and the force flowing between them. And today, you get to feel that connection. Oh, enough of my talking. Let's begin. We begin with perhaps the most important component of a lightsaber, the kyber crystal, able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of a lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the saber's blade. Blue, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now we hear red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet crystal, rare and beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. Red, sometimes called the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are all stories of the past. We are here for you, our future. It is now time for you to select your kyber crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. And once you've selected your kyber crystal, please place it in the green crystal holder in front of you.
Do you see her color? Do you see her color?
Yeah, it's purple.
Violet?
Yeah.
Violet?
It's now time for you to build your hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. The hilt is your center of control. In these boxes are all the lightsaber components you previously collected. Inside, you find the following: the chassis, activation plates, grips, emitters, and pommel caps. Look up. The gatherers are here to help you on your journey. So with that, everyone, let's build.
Welcome, travelers. My name is Tessa. I will be here to help you build your hilts today. The first thing we're going to look at is our chassis. Now, you'll notice there are lines on the top half of the chassis, but not on the bottom. Right below those lines, there is a spring. That spring is going to allow us to get our kyber crystal into that space. So go ahead and pick up your kyber crystals. We're going to put the point of the kyber crystal into the center of that spring.
Yeah.
Got it.
Wait. Is it supposed to be blinking?
It's okay, honey.
Back to the center of the chassis where you have a red square and a blue rectangle.
Flip it over. There you go. No, flip it over the other way, honey.
Also
Other
have
way.
a red square and a blue rectangle on the insides of your activation plates. When you've chosen a set of activation plates, you'll need to match red square, touching red square.
Which one do you want?
Which one?
I'll take these two. Wait,
Sure.
take me.
Which one do you like?
I like these two.
Okay.
So this is the blue one, so I will.
There's the blue.
Do I put it here? So nice.
Let's see, Quentin. Cool.
Right, what's the other one you want? Is it good?
Go ahead and choose one of these for the top and then one of these for the bottom.
One for the top and one for the bottom. There you go.
Right here.
That's the top. Turn around. There. Which one you want to do for the bottom, buddy? You're good. You're good. Yeah.
My friend, when you're all set, you place it right here for me,
All set?
All you have to do is flip these switch up and then back down. Great job.
Okay, well, let's take a moment to appreciate the work you've done. Settle. Take in a deep breath. Oh, breathe out. Go ahead, breathe out. Sorry. You've all completed your hilts and nothing traumatic or unexpected happened. Why would it? This next part is quite dangerous, so please leave your hilts where they are and take several steps away from the table. The gatherers must stabilize the crystals for activation by entering them into the chamber. This is very dangerous, only to be done by those who've been trained many years, such as our gatherers. And even with all this training, there are still mishaps, right? Full disclosure, I cause that explosion. That's the explosion where I lost my eyebrows and looked shocked
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself what you have. Now, join. You will be. It is time.
Master Yoda, indeed, it is time to take that first step. Everyone, we have reached the final stage. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, I'll ask you all to take a step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and on my signal, you'll all activate at once. Is everyone ready? Yes. Take a step forward. Hand on your hilt, and action. activate.
Activate. Oh.
Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber that the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And just like them, you too may change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Everyone, please deactivate and lower your sabers now.
Complete your lightsaber is. Now, your destiny receipt, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. In your hands you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power must not be dropped on the ground. So to protect your new lightsabers, we offer you these saber sheets as you depart. Our time together has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It's your time to go out and make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the saber you created. And who knows, perhaps next time, we will be telling your story. Till the spire.
Till the spire.
Wow.
What'd you think? What'd you think, Quentin? All right, no, we're not poking each other with it. You're gonna get a, don't forget to get a sheath. I think she can give you one. Thank you so much. You want to build one?
Yeah.
What'd you think? Did you get teary-eyed?
I did.
Daddy got teary-eyed.
Why?
That was awesome.
Because it's his dream.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow us on Instagram and YouTube. All of us at FFAT Airlines wish you happy and safe trails home. Bye!